Hey guys, another video here from Adam at POTN. This is a proper exciting video. We're really excited to get this one out here. So this one's all about the brand new intake for the GR Yaris from Pipercross Performance Air Filters, which is fantastic. It's been waiting for with great anticipation for it to be on the market. And now let's have a look at the intake. We can show you how good it looks in the engine. We can show you the performance benefits and the reason why certain things are in certain ways. So without further ado, let's look at the much anticipated Pipercross intake. This intake took some time to come to market, but this is for good reason. Pipercross are being impressively honest with this kit, with their initial design being a high flow performance intake. It looked great, but when it came to dyno and more testing, it actually lost power. There's multiple reasons for this, but ultimately the ECU picked up on the increase in airflow and pulled back the power. Pipercross had made an intake that was too good. In fact, when doing initial testing, bringing in competitor intakes, we found similar results, not making the claim figures at all and seeing a loss on some cases. Pipercross then went back to the drawing board, revising certain components and even looking at restrictors in some cases. However, with more dyno sessions and using the years of experience in motorsport and in the performance industry, a final design was met, which made power on a standard engine with a 10 horsepower gain at 3,300 RPM. However, with a DTUK tuning box, we saw a 30 horsepower gain at 3,600 RPM, which is great to see and exactly where you need it in the mid-range. But also, there is great scope to see more gains on a bespoke custom tune with supporting modifications. The Pipercross intake really shouts performance everywhere you look. Starting with this heat shield, the black powder coated high walled shield is doing a tremendous job at sealing this space from the bonnet down. The well placed entrance works well with a standard cold air entry point feeding into the large well sealed space with great air movement around. This performance cone for its aluminium adapter with spun neck is a high flow design, giving the air a smooth transition from cone into hard pipe. The hard pipe itself again is a black powder coated hard aluminium pipe fitting with the rest of the intake design, connected with a superb quality Pipercross branded joiner. The high quality ensures great connectivity and rigidity, ensuring no air leaks and continuing that high flow into the turbo elbow. So I hope you enjoyed that quick look at the Pipercross intake there. We can't wait for you guys to trial it. It's now about to hit the market. Do keep an eye on the Pipercross shop. We'll release it there first. Do check out our Facebook, check out Performance on the Net, and make sure you check out the Pipercross shop as well. It'll be released soon, pricing to follow. We can't wait to see what you guys do to it. We know how much you enjoy the intakes and how much more modifications you're going to do to this engine. If you haven't done so already, please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel. We really are enjoying posting these videos and our journey with the GR Yaris here. We're really enjoying it. We can't wait to see what it does throughout the summer. And yeah, please do like and subscribe. Thanks.